18, make the x the subject of formula. So we use the same method when we want to solve equation. So bring this up, we get c times 2x minus 5 equal to 3x. So expand, you get 2cx minus 5c equal to 3x. Then your unknown is 1x. So you have x and x. When you have 2x, you need to factorize. You more than one, then you need to factorize. Okay, so put the x together. 2cx, oops, sorry, 2cx minus 3x should equal to 5x. Factorize x, you get 3. Okay, yeah, 2c minus 3 equal to 5. This is 5c, sorry. We put x. So 5c. So x equal to 5c over 2c minus 3. 5c over 2c is minus 3. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I will see you again. Bye-bye.